Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy B Smooth, man, coming at you with another one. To everybody new, welcome, man. Everybody who already been here, you know what it is. I know y'all see me out here burning up. Alright, I don't know about you, but it's cold as fuck out this motherfucker. Alright, so, got a customer, old school cat, man. He came to me, he just, you know, he wanted something a little different in the car. So he wanted a little better sound, you know. Wanted something to look a little better than what he had. So what we're gonna do, we just gonna do a little simple little radio upgrade. Radio came from off, I forgot the website, man. I didn't get it on eBay or Amazon. I ain't wanna have them problems. I had little mishaps right now around the holiday with eBay and Amazon, man. I kid you not, I had mishaps with them. The shots for the Tahoe never came. I ordered them from Amazon and they never came. And man, they make you go through the craziest shit to get your money back. I shit you not. Instead of you just saying, they looking like, oh yeah, you haven't received this in such and such and such time. Oh, we just gonna say it lost. Alright, cool. Alright, we finna send you over this paperwork here. You gotta print it out, fill it out, then scan it and send it back over. What the fuck? If you see what I see, you know I ain't got it. Why I gotta do all this? So, anyway, scratch that. End up going to another company. You know, not no second or third, straight to the company itself. I deal with a lot of Enon, radios, EN, I think EN. I deal with a lot of their radios. Love them. For this one here, they didn't actually have. So what I had to do was I had to get them to actually get a bezel for it. But if you talk to them, the only thing I do is open your mouth, talk to them, they get everything situated. So let's take a look at this little slide here that we're gonna work on. All right, let's get it. So this is what we got in motion today, y'all. It's a little older model Lexus. All right, he just want a screen, and this little older cat want a screen. Ain't that wrong with people want to upgrade music. Everybody love music. So we finna get all this right here out of here, man. Try to bring the Lexus up to date a little bit. Let's get it. All right, guys. First thing first coming in is to remove this fucking front here. Remove all this. So when it comes down to me prying on stuff, I always use my little pick. I mean, they make different shit. But I had good success with this. Is don't bend shit, don't fuck up shit. So this is not what I use. Let me go and get this shit out of here. Let's get it. All right, guys. Simple. All right. You got 2 screws down here and 2 right here. And this pry around, pop right up. No problem on that. Now this here. So a lot of things got to come out of here because this bezel here you're not gonna be able to use. So luckily this one came with one. So this is how we're gonna do this. All this right here. It's a lot of little knickknacks you gotta take out and install in there. So air vents, fucking emergency lights and shit like that. So let me go ahead and pop that shit in real quick. In a second, get right back to it. And there we go, guys. Everything popped in. Make sure if y'all get one of these from in or anywhere, let them know exactly what color the bezel gonna be. That way this shit don't be tacky, man. Because some people be trying to go the cheap route out. They do sell knockoff shit like this on eBay and shit. I'm not a fan of them. I mean, I got a knockoff in my Tahoe up there. That's just a regular ass knockoff. Paid like $100 for it, and I can tell you right now, the fucking EQ on that thing fucking sucks. So just get what you pay for. Let's get it. All right, so right now I had to get from over there and get my ass over here and turn this fucking heat on because it's fucking cold. So right now I gotta break this down because instead of having wires hanging down, I bought a long extension adapter for the USB, and I just used the cigarette lighter to put it in. I hate when I have wires hanging down. I hate that shit. That shit is so fucking tacky to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that installed real quick. So y'all just give me a few. All right, guys, we got that out of here. Here's the cigarette lighter. Now, what I did was just pry the prongs out The reason why, because it's a little light that sit right here. A lot of people like to keep their lights and shit, so check out the prongs out and just leave the lights. Let's get it. Alright guys, and there we go. Just flick it. Much better. Alright guys, got everything in. I'm not taking the plastic off. You can take your own plastic off. Everything back. Yeah. There we go down here. I put this cover down here just in case they smoke or whatever. They won't get no ashes in it. So USB port right here. As you can see, folds perfectly. Alright, y'all. Fingers crossed. Oh yeah. Jigging good. Since I'm already right here, let me go ahead and do a full search on the radio so I get all his station program. Then I'm finna get into some tuning. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're looking good so far, y'all. Let's get it. Alright, make sure the steering wheel control's working. Steering wheel control's working. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see. Oh yeah. Steering wheel control working perfectly. So we ain't gonna worry about none of that. Alright, so I think the radio station you normally listen to is like gospel or something. So I'm gonna turn the gospel for down here. And we're finna get everything adjusted, get the sound quality in and all. And let's get it. That's it. Let's get it. Alright guys, so this is what I was saying right here. When I said someone come with a BS equalizer. This is what I mean. Okay, this is not a bad equalizer. Alright. It's a standard equalizer. From 20 to 17.5 kilohertz. Cool. Now, some just come with bass, treble, and mid. That is a BS equalizer. If your radio got that, I'm sorry to tell you, unless it's something back in the day, old Pioneer or something like that, old Sony, then that's a little different. But even the good old Sonys, they have more play around. So what I mean by play around meaning, this right here is what gives you your sound quality, okay? This is when you can adjust how you want it, on the high side to the low side. This is it right here. Alright guys, I had to come back and make sure my phone was connected inside of the USB port. I had to make sure the USB port was functioning without music and stuff, and that y'all can see it is functioning perfectly. So, that being said, I had to make sure I was able to charge my phone and all other necessities. So, all of that is done, man. I wanna give y'all a demo of how this thing sounds, but it's a bit but there. Don't wanna get copyrighted, yada yada yada. Yeah, but as y'all can see, we all done here, man. Simple, easy. Didn't take that long. Now, get ready to head to the house. Let's get it.